friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a honey toast. This easy toast recipe makes a perfect breakfast or snack. All we need is bread, butter, and honey. This is super simple and so delicious. So first thing we need to do is toast the bread. If you want to be fancy, you can always use a gourmet bread such as sourdough, or to keep it simple, you can just use regular white bread. That's what I'm doing. So just toast any bread, as many slices as you want. I'm going to toast 2 slices. So just start your toaster, and once it's toasted, we're going to finish making it. So now the toaster is done and they're ready. Look at this nice golden brown crispy toast. Smells so good too. Nice toasted bread. And now I'm going to spread it with butter. Perfect. And now the finishing touch, we are going to add honey. That's the best part. So just squeeze honey over your toast. Perfect. This looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. It tastes amazing. So good. Really tastes as good as it looks. Crispy bread, creamy butter, and sweet honey. This is a perfect combination. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!